Assalamualaikum, my dear student. How are you getting on? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Hussain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a math class for class 7 and the topic is information and data, which is included in your book at chapter 11. First of all, we have to know data. Data is a raw fact. Information. Information is a set of data. Primary data or direct data. Primary data means which data depends on the source directly. That means the data which is depends on source directly is called primary data. Secondary data. Secondary data means that data which is not directly dependable on the source. That is secondary data. If I want to give an example of primary data, then the mark of obtaining in examination is the primary data because the mark is directly dependable on the exam. If I want to collect the temperature of various cities, then those data will be the secondary or indirect data. Now, unorganized data. Unorganized data means which is disordered. That means if I write 4, 2, 6, 9, this is disordered way. So this is unorganized data. Organized data, if I write this one is 2, 4, 6 and 9. This is a ordered way, so it is called the organized data. Now, to solve the problem of this chapter, we have to know this law, that is range equal highest number minus lowest number plus 1. First of all, we have to find the highest number, then the lowest number and subtract them and adding 1, then we get the range. Now, look at the board. There is a problem, which is the temperature in degree Celsius ACD of 31 days of January are 20, 18, 14, 21, 11, 14, 12, 10, 15, 18, 12, 14, 16, 15, 12, 14, 18, 20, 22, 9, 10, 11, 14, 12, such as. Now, first of all, we have to find the range. We have already learned that the law of range is, that is, we know that range equal highest number minus lowest number and plus 1. Now find the highest number, which is this is 25 and the lowest number is 9. So now we have to write 25 minus 9 plus 1. That means subtract 9 from 25 is 16 and plus 1, that is 17. So the answer is 17. Hope you understood this one. Now let's go the next number, that is arrange the data in the ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. My dear student, you have already known that ascending means going smaller to bigger, and descending mean bigger to smaller. So first of all, we have to arrange both data are ascending way, that is ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order, the first lowest number is 9. Lowest number is 9. Then that is 10. There are 3 tens here. Then it is 11 and 11. Then 12. Then it will be 14. Then it will be 15. Then 16. Then 18. Then 20. Then 21, 22, and finally it is 25. So this is the ascending order. Now there is another is descending order. Descending order. Descending order means the reverse way of ascending order, that is 25, 22, 21, 20, 18, 16, 15, 14, 14, then 12, then 11, then 10, and finally it is 9. So, my dear student, we have already arranged these data are ascending and descending way. Now go to number C. Number C is prepare frequency distribution table. Prepare frequency distribution table. For making this table, so this is a table. We will make it the frequency distribution table. To make frequency distribution table, we have to know the class. So the class of table, classes of 5 range is 17 divided by 5. This 17 is the range and this 5 is this. If I want to write here 4, then it will be 4 also. Now dividing 17 by 5, it will be 3.4. That means 4. Approximately we can write. Now temperature of classes. Temperature classes, since the range is 5, so start from lowest number, that is 9, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that is 9 to 13, 14 to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then 19 to 23. Then 24 to 28, because our largest number is 25, which is between 24 to 28. Now we have to determine the tally number. Tally number, that is whose numbers are belonging between 9 to 13. Belonging 9 to 13. If we count these numbers, then we get 10 numbers between this race. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4, and in tally system it will be the 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be the 5. So this is 5 and 5, that is frequency. Frequency is 10. Now from 14 to 18, these data between 14 to 18 there are 13 numbers. That is 13 means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. And 1, 2, 3. Then between 19 to 23 there are 7 data. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 24 to 28 there is 1. So in total 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 plus 7 is 30, and plus 1 is 31. So we have already knows that the temperature of 31 days. So this is the 31, and which is the frequency table. So we have already prepared the frequency distribution table. My dear student, hope you understood this class. Practice more and more, avoid by your parents. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.